Close your eyes for a second. Actually, don't. You're watching a video, but just imagine this. It's a Monday morning. Your alarm goes off at 6:47. You silence it, stare at the ceiling for a moment, and before your feet even hit the floor, the familiar weight is already there. Not stress, exactly. More like a low hum in the background of everything. A quiet awareness that no matter how hard you worked last month, the numbers at the end of it didn't feel like progress. You showered, got dressed, made your coffee the same way you always do, went to work, came home, scrolled through your phone, saw someone your age talking about buying their second property or retiring at 38, and you thought, must be nice, must be different for them, must be something I'm missing. And then you went to bed and did the whole thing again the next day. That feeling? That's exactly who I made this channel for. Hi, my name is Nuel, and this is a different kind of finance channel. I want to be upfront with you from the very beginning about what I do and why I do it differently, because I think you deserve that before you decide to stick around. I'm not here to overwhelm you with charts. I'm not here to make you feel behind or stupid or like financial freedom is some distant, complicated thing that only certain kinds of people get to have. I'm not here to tell you that one weird investing trick is going to change everything by next quarter. I'm here to show you something much quieter than all of that, and honestly, something much more powerful. I make POV videos, point of view, and I want to explain what that actually means on this channel because it's everything. Most finance content puts you in a classroom. There's a presenter, there's a whiteboard, there's information being handed to you from a distance. You sit there, you take it in, and then the video ends and you're left trying to figure out what any of it has to do with your actual Tuesday. You learned something, maybe, but you didn't feel anything. And feeling, it turns out, is what actually changes behavior. What I do is different. My videos put you inside the moment. They put you in the kitchen at 7 a.m. making a small decision. They put you in the parking lot, in the checkout line, at your desk, at the moment where the choice actually lives. You don't watch someone else navigate their finances from a distance. You experience navigating yours. You see through your own eyes. You feel the scenario, and because of that, something clicks that a lecture never could have reached. Because it's not abstract anymore, it's yours. The whole idea behind this channel came from something I kept noticing, not just in finance, but in the way people relate to their own potential. There's a gap between knowing and believing. Most of us know what we're supposed to do. We've read the articles, we've watched the videos, we know savings accounts exist, we've heard the word investment 1,000 times. But knowing something and actually believing that it applies to you, that you specifically can do it, that your life, with your income and your habits and your history, can actually look different, that's an entirely different thing. And that gap between knowing and believing is where most people are stuck. That's the gap I built this channel to close. Here's what I've come to understand after spending a lot of time thinking about why people don't build wealth even when they want to. It's almost never about not having enough information. It's about not being able to see themselves in the story. They hear someone talk about compound interest and think, okay, great, but that's not really for someone like me. They hear about financial freedom and picture someone with a completely different starting point, a completely different life. The dream feels like something that belongs to other people, and the moment that thought takes root, nothing else matters. You can throw all the information in the world at someone who doesn't believe they're capable of using it, and it won't land. So before we talk about any strategy, any habit, any system, the first thing I want to do on this channel is give you back something you might have quietly given away without even realizing it. And that's the belief that this is available to you. Not someday, not when you earn more or move somewhere cheaper or get lucky. Right now, with the life you're actually living. Because here's what I know to be true, and I mean this in the most grounded, real way possible. Financial freedom is not built in big dramatic moments. It is built in small, almost invisible ones. It's built in decisions that seem so ordinary. They barely feel like decisions at all. The way you start your morning, the way you respond to an impulse at 9 p.m., the tiny redirect you make when habit would have taken you somewhere else. These moments stack, and they stack quietly, underneath everything, completely unnoticed by the people around you. Until one day the distance between where you started and where you are is so enormous that the people watching from the outside call you lucky. But you'll know exactly what it was made of. That's what we're going to explore here. Habit by habit, scene by scene, moment by moment. The specific kind of content I make is designed to feel like an experience rather than a lesson. You're going to find yourself inside scenarios that feel familiar, real, and sometimes uncomfortably accurate. The impulsive online purchase you almost made, the conversation about money you kept postponing, the version of yourself that chose the slightly harder thing, and how different that day felt from the version that didn't. You'll see the small pivots, not from the outside looking in, but from the inside looking forward. And here's what I hope happens when you watch. I hope you finish a video and think, I could do that. Not, I wish I could do that. Not maybe someday I'll try that. I could do that this week, today. Because that belief right there is the actual beginning of financial freedom. Not the spreadsheet, not the investment account. The moment you genuinely start to see yourself as someone who is capable of doing this, here's a preview of the kind of things we're going to cover. We're going to walk through the daily habits that quietly build wealth, not the big sacrifices, but the small, sustainable behaviors that compound into something remarkable over time. We're going to explore what it actually looks and feels like to live below your means, not as a punishment, but as a quiet form of power. We're going to talk about the identity shift that happens when you stop being someone who is trying to manage money and start being someone who is building wealth, because those two identities make completely different decisions. We'll cover the spending patterns that feel harmless but are quietly draining your future, and more importantly, we'll feel them in context so you can recognize them in yourself without shame, just with clarity. And we'll talk about what financial freedom actually looks like for an ordinary person, living an ordinary life. Not a yacht, not a penthouse, but the real version. Waking up without that hum, having options, feeling like your life belongs to you. I want this channel to feel like a friend who genuinely wants you to win. Not a guru, not an authority, not someone talking at you from behind a desk. Just someone walking alongside you through the moments where the money actually gets decided, showing you what's possible when you show up for yourself just a little differently than you did yesterday. No dream is too big to reach through small, consistent action. I believe that completely. I've seen it happen. I've watched people talk themselves into believing their situation was fixed, permanent, out of their control, and then slowly, almost accidentally, change everything by changing the tiny things. That's what I want for you. And that's what this channel is built to help you do. If you're tired of watching finance content that makes you feel like you're doing everything wrong, you're in the right place. If you've ever looked at where you are financially and thought, I don't know how I'm supposed to get from here to somewhere better, you are in the right place. And if you're willing to believe, even just slightly, that the life you want is actually within reach for you specifically, then you are absolutely completely in the right place. My name is Nuel. This is where your story starts to shift. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the very first real video. Let's go build something. Check out more of our video.